4 times 5 divided by 5 times 4 is equal what? Here 4 times 5 gives us 20 divided by this 5 times 4 gives us 20. 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Now I will solve this math correctly. According to the order of operation, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this division, then this multiplication. Here 4 times 5 gives us 20 divided by this 5 times this 4. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this division. Here 20 divided by 5 gives us 4 times this 4. 4 times 4 gives us 16. And this answer is correct. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.